A picture of a famous person is going to be drawn today. Adults and children can easily learn to draw by watching videos like this. Everyone knows that drawing is an activity that brings happiness and peace to our mind. Here I am drawing this picture using the Loomis method, which was invented to make drawing very easy. By watching the video for a short time, you can learn about this famous person and learn how to draw. I don't use any other tools to draw this picture other than a pencil eraser and buds for smudging. His name is Morgan Freeman. Born 1st June 1937, is an American actor and producer. He is known for his distinctive deep voice and various roles in a wide variety of film genres. Why is Morgan Freeman so famous? Freeman won the Academy Award in 2005 for Best Supporting Actor for his role in $1 Million Baby. In 1990 he won the Golden Globe for Best Actor for his performance in Driving Miss Daisy. Freeman also received an Academy Award nomination in 1987 for Best Supporting Actor for Street Smart and in 1994 for Best Actor for The Shawshank Redemption. What is a famous quote from Morgan Freeman? I always tell my kids, if you lay down, people will step over you. But if you keep scrambling, if you keep going, someone will always give you a hand. Always. But you gotta keep dancing, you gotta keep your feet moving. How much money does Freeman have? According to the sites Wealthy Gorilla and Celebrity Net Worth, Freddie Freeman has a net worth in 2021 of $40 million, although this information was released before the first baseman won the World Series, so that figure would have increased. There is a lot more to say about him. Now I will stop saying this for now. You will also see the drawing of the picture carefully. If you have any doubts, please let us know in the comment box below. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.